each non-for-profit organization or charitable organization here in the US supposed to provide tax receipt with either each donation or at the end of the year. We strongly recommend for you to do it with each donation because it's much simpler to do. I will not go over the technical side, but today I would like to show you donation receipt example from one organization that I'm volunteering for. I did build this for them. I did the automated system, so each person, when they donate either $1 or $5,000 or even $1 million, they automatically receive this kind of receipt. So let's go to my computer and let's break down the receipt. As you can see here, first of all, we have a logo because you want to have some kind of branding on your receipt. So even if you go to a store, you do need to show some branding of your organization. Then we want to personalize, so we put dear and the first name of the donor. This is then the statement. Let them know what is this all about. And by the way, please stay to the end of this video because there's one more thing outside of what you see on the screen that's important for you to do. This is donation receipt for your recent contribution. You can keep it as a proof and use it for tax deduction purposes. So if you don't have any like donor management system, sometimes it's extremely hard for you to calculate each donation from the household, from each person, to do this receipt at the end of the year. So why I like this method better? Because with each receipt they can collect from you and submit it to their CPA and submit it to IRS for tax deduction. So then this is one of the most important information. So here we have a donor's full name, first and last name, then donor's amount. This is extremely important. When the donation was made, sometimes when the donation was made and when you record it is two different dates. So I strongly recommend to put it the date is when they donated, because it might throw the donor off. Let's say if they donated in November and you send them receipt with a December date and they're like, oh wow, hold on, did you charge me again or something? So I strongly recommend to use the date when they gave you the check or send you PayPal or Zelle. Last thing, if you use any CRM system or donor management system, I strongly recommend to include that donation ID. In our case, we use Salesforce because Salesforce comes with 10 licenses for free for all charitable organizations here in US. So we use a Salesforce ID for this specific donation, and this is personalized for each donation. And the last thing is that you must include, again, I'm not a lawyer, so please check with your legal for exact statement. You need to say that no services was provided for this amount, because as a charitable organization, you're not able to, you should not provide services for their contribution. So as you can see here, this is the legal thing. And then also I said in this email that like if they have any questions, if they have any requests, they can email us, and I put expectations that with 1 to 2 business days we will respond to them, and as well as we have just thank you, and that's it. So now what I promised before, very extremely important thing, you need to personalize the subject line. So this is how the subject line looks for this organization. Is donation receipt. Then we are looking for the last donation date, which will be different for each donation, and the value of donation. Why it's important? Because if you use the same subject line, let's say donation receipt and nothing else, all those emails will be combined together and they will be not visible in Gmail and some other providers. So it's extremely important to separate those emails, and so they do not go in one thread in Gmail and they're not like simplified. So it's extremely important to customize, to have something unique in the subject line. It can be just simple date. So for example, every time they donate, they will receive this similar subject line, but with different date. Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today. If you have any questions about, or you want to set it up, but you don't know why, I strongly recommend to go to our website, schedule a call, and we will be able to consult you or help you out or tell you how you can set it up for your organization. We do provide services for non-for-profit and currently have few of our clients who we're servicing from email marketing and CRM perspective.